So we were supposed to go to Manchester, but this kid here, Mr. Ozzy and Mr. Saka here, what are you doing? Oh look, he's shy now. He's camera shy. Anyway, we were supposed to go to Manchester, but unfortunately, due to a car crash, Allah protect everyone, Allah help everyone, to take a diver. So Saka and Ozzy were like, oh, we'll go to Liverpool. So we're in Scouserland. Yeah, it's going to be blurry because I put cinematic mode on, but yeah, so we're in Liverpool. We're still going to the arcade game. We got here around about 20 past. It's half 7, which I'm not happy because I wanted to get home for 8. Things don't go to plan. Things happen for a reason. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. Yeah, so we're going to go for arcade and we're going to try to get home for 10 to 9 latest. 9 o'clock. I got things to do. I got places to be. I got shit to do. I got things to do. And we're going Saturday to London. Men versus YouTube All Stars. And yeah, enjoying the nice evening in raining Liverpool. Why not? We're in middle of town. And we're going to just play a bit of the machines and see if we can win anything. I'm going to vlog inside there. We're going to spend as much, quick time. I'm not bothered about food. We had gone on the way down, just chilling. We nearly had a car crash because some lady nearly hit us when we were in the second lane. I don't know what the hell she was doing. I saw her coming. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit.
I was trying to find the arcade.
Nah, you are.
I don't know about that rave.
Oh man,
When he goes to the barber
that.
shop, bro, he gets cut with a blade.
Why are you rapping in the middle of Liverpool?
I don't know how to rap, bro.
But he's spitting bars, or yeah, he's spitting bars. Man's got confidence.
Abbas has got his hat covering his face.
When
When
the
he looks at
half
that
looks, don't go that far. Bloody hell, he's spitting tunes, yeah, lad. Man's spitting tunes. Should we just go to LFC shop and might Aussie LF?
Okay, yeah, let's go there.
Come.
Maybe just go home after that, innit?
Yeah, we should.
Let's go.
We should. We've been going around for the last 20 minutes, lad. We've been going around the last 20 minutes, yeah.
Where is it? Is it up there? It's up there. It's this building. Instead of paying attention to that, why don't you look where we're going?
No, it's the first thing you see is Liverpool. So that's the arcade game machine thingy. Wow. Gravity Max, that's what it's called. Are you excited? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Brilliant. See you inside, guys. So over here, we were playing a game, and here me and Saka are finding the right car. I'm just adjusting the seat back. We thought it was just one player, like me against him. But it turns out it's one person at a time, and they had a camera in the corner on the left-hand side, as you can see, and there's a screen on top. My mate's got the car, he's driving it right now, and it was okay. The aim of the game was to beat the other computer, and it's all time-lapsed. So I've got the car now, and I'm just there accelerating. You got the timer, which was quite fun. I mean, it was confusing a little bit, but yeah. Just go in, and I'm talking to him. I think you have to catch that guy, and then Ozzy's just turning the camera around. And if you hit the grass, you go slower. There we go. We can drift a bit, and you have to brake it, and then you drift. There's me talking to Ozzy. I can't remember what I said to him, to be honest. And yeah, so here's another clip where I've took over the car. I'm just there drifting, and we're getting there. We've got 50 seconds left. And do a nice, beautiful drift there. What a beautiful drift to hit the taxi. The car goes over to Saka, and he's driving it right now. And I'm there complaining, I think, to Ozzy about what's happened. There's music in the background, and I tried to get rid of it, and it's made everyone's voice high, especially Ozzy's high-pitched voice. So it's come back to me, and we just passed the time, as you just saw. And here we go. I just crash. I take one crash and he takes it off me, which is ridiculous, man. Honestly. And the car moved a bit too, so which was good. There was these cars here. There's a little machine with guns and different places. It had a mini go-kart too in the corner, which was quite good. Here's another clip of me just twisting left and right and left and right. And I don't know what was going on. Well, I can't really see, but I was annoying because we just finished. We just lost against the computer. The time ran out. So there we go. As you can see, we have 40 seconds left on the timer, and I've got the steering wheel back. Driving, I'm drifting all the way. What a beautiful drift. And then it's go back to him. As soon as I do a drift, it goes back to my friend. I don't get it. It's like he almost cheated. I have it for 5 seconds, and we got 20 seconds to finish off and get the lap. Managed to. We didn't lap this one because we got 5 seconds. We just missed the lap. Unfortunately, we didn't get the time and we came 4 out of the thingy. So here we go, me and Ozzy driving the car, and it's our turn to, have a go together. So as you can see there's me just smiling, and I was like, you know what, I'll record it myself as my friend went. He was on the phone call. Ozzy's got control over here, just driving. I've got control now. As you can see, there's green lights. There's a little gear shifter. I don't know what that button is in the middle. And yeah, here we go. Me and Ozzy, me drifting like a pro drifter, like I am. Ozzy did drift, but I don't know if he did it just now. I don't know what that easy means on the left hand side. But there's the rival. And here we go. Ozzy's drifting like a pro. And then it's come over to me. And I'm just there. Obviously, I don't go on my phone. This is just a game. I'm driving with my phone. We got extended time, which is good. I nearly overtook him. I did overtake him. This is just a little view of what he looks like. That's it. The simulator of the car. He's knocked every chord there. And he's done another drifting. What a beautiful drift from Ozzy. Back to me. Just going down. Yeah, I was concentrating. Well, I was multitasking, to say the least, because I was recording and driving at the same time. So just give him a little knock there. I don't get how he's passed me when I've knocked him. Make it make sense, and it's not fair. So I just tell Ozzy to overtake him. He gives him a nudge, and I just had to control. As you can see, I didn't realize, and it just changed to me. And I'm halfway through recording, so I think it was that quick. But I managed to get the checkpoint and just drive down and just overtook him. Thank God for that. Okay, now, Hockey. Come on. We're both rubbish. Bloody hell, fam. We've got 2 minutes left and we're not even scored. Flip, 1-0. Where's it gone? Yes, get in. Get in, 1-1. Let's go, 1-1. That's cheating, lad. No, it didn't count. So that it didn't. It was 3-2. Look, it's 3-2. It's 3-2. It's 3-2. I lost that. Well, it was 3-3. It was 3-3, wasn't it? It was 3-3, wasn't it? It didn't. Just as I scored, it went to 3-2.
Thank you.
It's good. So over there, it's called the F word. We got shawarma from there. So we're just having a little walk. I might wrap you up here, to be honest. It's currently 27 past. I'm just going to do a voiceover because there's too much music and noise in the background. We're just going to this store here called Times Square. What? Shisha. We're going to buy shisha. So we're just going to go for a bit of looking at drinks. Look at the variety of drinks that they have. Bloody hell. Oh,
Look at the different drinks they've got.
135.
You won't see a shop like this.
Nah, fam.
It's got every flavour of everything.
Wow, fam. Right. On that note, we're going to have our chicken shawarma. And we're going to have a nice, inshallah, get home as soon as possible. I've got things to do, places to be. Have you any few words, lad? Want to say bye to everyone?
See you soon. Take care.
Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Ozzy's just waiting for his chicken burger. I hope to see you guys soon. This is coming out on my Simon video. Well, my Simon was his YouTube All Stars, inshallah. That's going to be a great day. Allah protect everyone. We're going to have a good day. See you guys soon. Love this. Bye.